One quiet night in the town of Whisper Willow, something strange unfolded. The moon hung high in the sky, yet its light had vanished. Windows appeared dim, stars blinked in confusion, and even the fireflies whispered, "Where did the moonlight go?" Two bedtime detectives, Milo the mouse and Pippa the owl, took on the mystery. They quietly tiptoed through the forest, drawn by a soft silvery glow. At the pond, the frogs slept soundly, while in the meadow, the fireflies twinkled like tiny stars. But there were no clues to be found. Then behind a hill they heard a soft sniffle. There they discovered a small cloud named Nimbus, glowing gently. "I was scared of the dark," Nimbus confessed, "so I borrowed some moonlight." Milo smiled and Pippa nodded kindly as they helped Nimbus return the moonlight to its place. With the night sparkling again, Whisper Willow felt calm and safe. Milo yawned, declaring, "Case solved," while Pippa smiled, saying, "Time for bed." As the moon shone softly, the little detectives and all the listening children drifted into sweet, cozy dreams.